The secret of French verb conjugation. Master the essential and sound like a native speaker. From regular et verb to tricky irregular, we'll break down every common tense. We'll tackle the most common pitfalls beginners face, ensuring a smoother learning curve. Master French conjugation with our detailed example and clear explanation. Mastering verb stem. Let's dissect the core of irregular verb, exploring pronunciation shift and their impact on conjugation. The subtle art of auxiliary verb. Understanding être and avoir, and when to deploy them is crucial for compound tense. The delicate dance of mood. Subjunctive and indicative moods require precise verb form selection, highlighting nuance in expression. Irregular verb in action. We'll tackle common, irregular verb and a specific conjugation pattern, building a solid foundation for fluency. Did you know, irregular verb don't follow predictable pattern, making them tricky memorization tasks for learners worldwide. Regular verb in French are categorized by their endings, et ir, each with distinct conjugation rules. Certains verbes tense like the subjunctive are used to express doubt, emotion, or necessity, dramatically changing verb form. Reflexive verb require a reflexive pronoun, me, te, se, nous, vous, se and are conjugated with être in compound tense. Beyond basic verb, explore complex tense and irregular conjugation, revealing the intricate structure of language. Consider verb tense context. Learn how simple past, present perfect, and future tense shape meaning in distinct ways. See real-world language in action. Analyze verb usage in dialogue, literature, and everyday conversation for practical mastery. Track your conjugation progress with interactive example. Visualize your improvement and overcome common error with targeted practice. Mastering irregular verb. Observe their unique pattern and how they defy grammatical convention, becoming muscle memory through focused repetition. The subtle nuance of pronominal verb. Discover how the reflexive pronoun change to match the subject, adding a layer of complexity. Subjunctive mood mastery. Understand when and why the subjunctive is used, a crucial element for expressing doubt, désir or emotion. Advanced verb tense application. Explore compound tense, like passé composé and plus que parfait for sophisticated narrative and historical context. The past, rigide conjugation exception galore. Langage lean on tradition, complex rules dictating every verb. The prose, dynamique conjugation, learning tools abound. Online resources and app make mastering verb engaging and accessible for everyone. The future, AI-driven personalisation adaptive learning. Conjugation will feel intuitive, tailored to individual learning style. Mastering conjugation, practice, context and consistency. These elements interweave, creating a robust understanding for fluency. Mastering verb conjugation unlock fluency. This journey transform understanding into effortless expression, paving the way for confident communication. The digital age demande adaptive learning. AI-powered tools predict your needs, offering personalized pathways to conquer even the most complex grammar. Visualize progress with dynamic chart. Track your conjugation accuracy, identify weak points, and celebrate every milestone on your path to linguistic mastery. Embrace the interconnectedness of language. Each conjugation learned creates a node in your linguistic network, expanding possibility and refining your expression. Across the globe, language evolve, shaping verb conjugation. Each verb tells a story of time and context. Irregular verb often retain remnant of old grammatical structure, a direct link to linguistic history. understanding conjugation is key to fluency, unlocking riche expression and better communication across all language. From foundational verb to complex tense, conjugation reveals the intricate logic and beauty of language. Myth, all verbs follow the same conjugation rules. Reality, many irregular verbs defy simple pattern. Myth, tense are simple to grasp. Reality, past participle and perfect tense requiert careful attention. Myth, context doesn't matter for conjugation. Reality, subject-verb agreement nuance are critical for correctness. Myth, practice makes perfect only for simple verb. Reality, complexe conjugation demande consiste, targeted practice. Sun 37, understanding verb conjugation requiert dissecting root verb and the infinitive to grasp core pattern. Sun 38, explore the prose tense de bedrock vol conjugation, showcasing regular verb pattern. Sun 39, move to the past tense, focusing on the common passé composé and its auxiliary verb. Sun 40, introduce future tense, particularly the simple future and irregular verb challenge. Did you know? Some verb conjugation semi-logical, but they often follow ancient linguistic pattern, not modern rules. Contrary to belief, genre agreement in French verb isn't always logical in past tense. It stems from complex historical grammatical shift. Did you know? The subjunctive mood, often taught as optional, is vital for expressing doubt, émotion, or désir core human experience. Surprising fact, many simple prose conjugation in French actually developed from older compound past tense. It's a linguistic inversion. As students struggling with verb conjugation finds clarity through interactive online exercises, mastering irregular verb. A langage learner, use a conjugation app to practice past tense, successfully ordering food in a virtual cafe. A teacher use visual aid and mnemonic devices to explain complex verb conjugation to a diverse classroom. A writer use a digital dictionary and conjugation tool to ensure accurate verb usage in a novel. Advanced verb conjugation often hinge on subtle irregularity. Expert analysis reveals pattern